This says for Gabby and Theo. So let's open it all together. Okay. You want to help? Who's on there?
Oh, no.
Theo's going to help open it too. Here, Theo. Put it in the paper and pull.
I can open it up.
Magnetiles. You love these. You have these at preschool.
Yeah.
You love these.
How do they work, Gabby?
Well, we got a slicer. Jimmy.
I love it.
You love it? Oh, I'm so glad you love it.
She's a key. You got one? Okay. Trying to reach one.
You love it?
I love these.
Nice.
I love them.
Super cool.
Magnetiles DX.
These are magnet tiles, Jimmy.
This goes in
Ready? Let me pull the box out.
Wow.
Look, there's a car base. We can build a car.
How can they stick?
They just stick because they're magnetic. You have to get the right side.
What can this do?
That? I don't know.
Look at that.
He's going to try to build a tractor here.
Hey, wait.
Let's see which side.
Well, Brandon, they didn't have all this clear,
I can.
crazy things when we were little.
Mommy,
Yeah, that sticks in the yard. Too.
how about we try to build a roof?
Oh, yeah, good idea.
Wait, could be a house. Good idea.
Good idea. Theo likes your idea. I don't know what this goes to. We'll have to look. There's some.
How about this? Six there.
Cool.
Hey, this put it somewhere.
Let's see this.
Oh, he's ripping
It's
it.
okay. We'll just put it in my bag.
But we don't know how to
Yeah.
build it. Look at these.
Nice.
They have holes in them.
So cool.
These
Oh, you know what? Where's the one with the hole in it?
these.
It's right down
Behind Theo.
the box
I have
where Theo
some.
It's
is.
behind Theo.
Some.
Behind Theo.
Some. Right
Behind
here.
Theo.
This, look, this one works like a window. Cool. It's a door.
Got a door, yeah.
Cool.
What do you think about that, Nana?
Here's another.
Ooh, what's that do? Do we have enough to make
Keep
walls?
don't stress out about it. Okay?
Oh, wow.
Oh, is Kiko stressing again?
Another.
Better get her catnip out so she can
What's this?
adjust her head.
That was for these ones. These big squares.
Look.
Cool. One for you.
Brandon said Kiko
One
may have
for
been
you.
raised with dogs.
One for me.
Mhm.
One for you. One for you. One for me. And another one for you.
Look what this.
You blocked that off. Cool. Can I make it even higher?
No, I was just making a door.
I thought that was the door.
Well,
Theo's gonna put a roof on it.
this could be a window.
Look at my covered wagon.
Look at that.
Oh, no.
It's alright.
This all magnets?
Stack them right back up. They're magnetiles.
Don't knock
Till you try it.
Quit hogging,
let's
Nana.
just make a
You'll have your
roof.
turn.
Mom,
Yeah.
I'm trying to make a roof.
Alright, well Theo can stack them on there too, honey. We're all working together. Teamwork.
Can we try to a rocket ship?
Sure.
Like this. I want to make this right here.
You can make whatever you want.
How do? Here, I can try to. I can.
Is this? Yeah, that's an extra one. Pretty cool.
I can. Here.
Look at this bird they made.
Oh yeah.